Introducing the VICKS Mini Filter-Free Cool Mist Humidifier. Perfect for a child's small-sized bedroom, this ultra-quiet humidifier releases a cool, visible mist to help temporarily relieve your child's cough and congestion. Its easy built-in control dial allows you to customize the moisture level output, while its filter-free technology and wide tank opening make for easy maintenance. Plus, it accepts VICKS VapoPads for soothing menthol vapors. Enjoy the VICKS Mini Filter-Free Cool Mist Humidifier for easier breathing and a soothing nighttime sleep. For more information or to purchase accessories, visit VicksHumidifiers.com.